Hello, and welcome to Everything Finance, where I help business owners get funding, startup business owners get funding, and also offer credit repair service to help not only business owners but to regular people as well. So, today's video, I'm going to briefly talk about um, a new message from Warren Buffett. He had just, I think, released this particular statement, maybe early part of today, I believe. But before I get into the video, make sure you like and share and subscribe to the video and to the channel, to whereas I help people get funding and other things dealing with finances. Now, a message from Warren Buffett, and what he states. He says, "Dear reader, you probably know that I don't make stock recommendations. However, I have two thoughts regarding your personal expenditures that can save you real money. I'm suggesting that you call on the services of two subsidiaries of Berkshire, Geico and Berkshire. I estimate that about 40% of all auto drivers in the country can save money by insuring with Geico. The figure is not 100% because insurers differ in their underwriting judgments, with some favoring drivers who live in certain geographical areas and work in certain occupations more than Geico does. I believe, however, that Geico more frequently offers lower prices than does any other national carrier selling insurance to all customers. You can quickly find out whether you can save money by going to www.geico.com or by calling 800-555-2756. Now, he made another statement here. This time he's talking about the jewelry company called Berkshire. Fine jewelry, watches, and giftware will almost certainly cost you less at Berkshire. I've looked at the figures for all publicly owned jewelry companies, and the contrast with Berkshire is startling. Our one-store operation, with its huge value, enables us to operate with costs that are fully 15 to 20% points below those incurred by our competitors. We pass the benefits of this low-cost structure along to our customers." Okay, now he makes this final statement here. Every year, Berkshire sends out thousands of sections to customers who want a long-distance opportunity to inspect what it offers and decide which, if any, item they'd like to purchase. We do huge amounts of business in this low-key way, which also allows the shoppers to conveniently see exponential values that we offer. Call Sean Moore or Karen Brockett at Berkshire's 1-800-642-4438 and save substantial money on your next purchase of jewelry. Okay, in another part, Berkshire Hathaway Incorporated, information regarding first quarter earnings released. For immediate release, Omaha, Nebraska, Berkshire Hathaway Incorporated first quarterly earnings release and its quarterly report on Form 10-Q will be posted on the internet Saturday, May the 3rd, 2025. So basically tomorrow. At approximately 7 a.m. Central Time, where it can be accessed at BerkshireHathaway.com. Berkshire Hathaway will hold its 2025 annual shareholders meeting on Saturday, May the 3rd, prior to the annual shareholders meeting. Warren Buffett, Berkshire's chairman and chief executive officer, Greg Abel, vice chairman, non-insurance operation, and Jane, vice chairman, insurance operation, will hold a question and answer session that will commence at 8 a.m. Central Time. The question and answer session will be broadcast on CNBC and webcast on CNBC.com. The broadcast on CNBC and webcast will begin at 7:30 a.m. Central Time. And if you want to visit that, you can go to www.cnbc.com/BRKLIVE. So, and they also put in this statement out as well, for when you go there and check it out. It's saying, cautionary statement. Certain statements contained in this press release are quote unquote forward looking, end quote, statements within the meaning of the Private Securities Litigation Reform Act of 1995. Berkshire assumes no obligation and does not intend to update these forward-looking statements. If you want to contact them, they have a guy here by the name of Mark D. Hamburg. The number is 402-346-1400. So these are the two things that he has, Warren Buffett has put out. He put actually a little more things out on his official page, Berkshire Hathaway Incorporated, including annual intern reports linked to SEC filings, special letters from Warren Buffett and Charlie, past and present. So I may make a part 2 to this video, either tonight or tomorrow, and discuss a little bit more what he has put out already. So that will conclude this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this channel for all things finance. If you have bad credit, make sure you click everything in the description. Go to the description below and click what you need. If you need a business loan, click the link in the description. All that will be posted in the description. This channel is about everything finance. So until then, I will see y'all in the next video tomorrow. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, bro.